thank you so much for tuning in today for my channel, and I appreciate every like, comment, and share that you can do for me and supporting a sister out, because we're all trying to grow, right? So I hope you have a great day. Take care, be safe, and watch out for this whole coronavirus thing. I hope this pandemic finishes soon and that they find some type of cure. But better to show you how I'm gonna use this, guys. I'm just gonna use 2 pumps. 1, 2. You ready? You ready? I don't want to take it off. Isn't this every girl's nightmare? Like when you really like your makeup, you don't want to take it off. Okay, ready, set, go. I should have took off my earrings. Probably should have, but that is what it is. Gotta rub a dub 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 dub. I can only imagine what my face looks like right now. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse. Right back. Next, I'm going to be using walnut scrub. Now it smells like oatmeal when you extra rub. It's like the after smell. Wearing my handy dandy HairTox solutions at that. And next, I'm going to be taking, I know I was supposed to use a cotton pad, but let me use my hands. I just washed them literally. So. The milk toner, and as you can see, my skin hasn't broken out, but it kind of now irritates my skin. Like I get this redness about my skin afterwards that I wouldn't really get before. And you can definitely see like my flaws just heighten more. Oh, I got a boogie. I gotta take care of that. Hold up. Alrighty, so this is my skin, fresh and bare, Kylie Skin only, and well, skincare, not her skin. I already used the milk toner. I used the body wash, the foam wash. Now I'm gonna use the serum. I like to squirt 2 pumps, even though that's extra, but I'm extra, so what? And I like to apply it even on my lips, forehead, under the neck, going upward, and just feeding it up. And look, right away my skin looks less dull, more awakened, less gray, less red, even though it's still a little there, but it'll take some time to cool off. And then last but not least, my favorite, the lip mask. And I try to apply a thin layer at a time, because if you apply it too thick, you're gonna get that white cast. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel and supporting your girl. So hit like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want your sister to grow. And thank you so much for being a part of the Fashiony community and the Fashionista fam. Alright, now take care. I definitely thank you all for subscribing, for those of you who are new followers, and thank you for trusting me and for joining this channel. And It means the most to me. I read your comments, I read your messages. Trust me, I admire all kinds of support that I can get from anyone and everyone. That's what I got to say. Today's mojo. I'm so happy. Finally recording what I needed to record forever. I don't know why I'm so afraid of facing the camera recording sometimes. Like, it's just so much work, but I love it when I'm actually doing it. So more content will be coming soon once I edit it, because I do content, I do record. It's just the editing, guys. The editing. I hate the editing process, to be honest. But love you guys. Bye. Juices. So back at it. Can I zoom this in? No? Okay. So back at it, guys. Oh man, this is still not good. Can it be down? Down? So that's as down as it goes. Okay. Whatever. I have, excuse me, acid reflux. God, what time is it and I haven't eaten? 5:43 and I haven't eaten anything, just coffee. That's that. Let me go wash my hands real quick. Oh man. Okay, now I'm gonna take this off. Come on. Come on. I didn't see that. Okay.